Hello students, I welcome you to the world of English class. In today's class, we will learn grammar. और grammar के अंतर्गत हम पढ़ेंगे time and tense. Let's start the class by asking few questions. Where do you live? When do you get up? When do you go to school? What do you do on Sundays? Which game do you like most? Let's check the answers. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? I live in पटना. When do you get up? आप कब उठते हैं? I get up at 7 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school at 9 a.m. What do you do on Sundays? I usually play games on Sundays. Which games do you like most? I like cricket most. Now, notice the verb and underline it. In the first sentence, you have to underline live. The second sentence, you have to underline get up. In the third one, you have to underline go. The fourth one, play. And the last one, like. ये words और phrases अपने verb के first form में हैं. इस तरह से हम verb के एक और forms को भी देखेंगे जो है verb का 5वां form, जिसमें verb में s और es लगता है. Like अगर हम बात करें live की तो वो हो जाएगा lives. अगर हम बात करें get up की तो वो हो जाएगा gets up. अगर हम बात करें go की तो वो हो जाएगा goes. उसी तरह से play हो जाएगा plays और like हो जाएगा likes. Students, today we will learn simple present tense. We will see how and when it is used. Simple present tense is also called present indefinite tense और इसकी पहचान हिंदी में हम ता है, ते है और ती है के द्वारा करते हैं. Let's start this class with a fun activity, that is reading activity. Here is a character. His name is Mohan and we will see the daily routine activities of Mohan, what he is doing every day. Mohan wakes up at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth every day. He takes shower at 8 o'clock. He takes his breakfast at 8:30 a.m. He goes to school at 9 a.m. every day. He plays hockey with his friends once in a week. He likes mangoes. Every Sunday, he learns to play guitar. He visits the market to buy fruits every Saturday. He goes to bed at 10 p.m. every day. Now, you have to see which word is going to be underlined every day. He brushes his teeth every day. So, I have underlined the word every day. The next sentence, he goes to school at 9 a.m. every day. So, I have underlined the word every day. Next one, once in a week. So, you have to underline once in a week. In next sentence, every Sunday. So, underline the word every Sunday. Next, every Saturday. Next, he goes to bed at 10 p.m. every day. So, I have underlined the word every day, once in a week, every Sunday. You can see all these words are related with simple tense. So, this is Mohan's daily activities. अब हम लोग objectives of the lessons को देखेंगे. At the end of this lesson, learners will be able to use simple present tense in context. Learners will be able to identify action verbs. Learners will be able to write and speak affirmative sentence appropriately. Learners will be able to discover tense form. जब हम बात कर रहे हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की, तो हमने देखा मोहन की डेली रूटीन में क्या एक्टिविटीज़ थी. दूसरे अब हम देखेंगे कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू रीड some facts and truths. It can be general, scientific and universal truth. एक ऐसी सच्चाई जिसे बदली ना जा सके. क्या आप बता सकते हैं वो कौन सी सच्चाई हो सकती है? यस, वेरी गुड. वो है पृथ्वी गोल है, सूरज पूरब से उगता है. द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. The sun sets in the west. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Slow and steady wins the race. Now you have to underline simple present tense. The first sentence, rises. In the second sentence, sets. The third one, revolves. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So, boils. The last one, wins. Now you can see in universal truth how we can use simple present tense. बात सिर्फ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ की ही नहीं है. हम कभी कभी देखते हैं कि कुछ एक्शंस जो फ्यूचर में होने वाले हैं, लेकिन वो डेफिनेट हैं, वो होंगे ही होंगे अपने शेड्यूल्स में, अपने प्लान में, अपने टाइम टेबल पर. उसमें भी हम लोग कैसे प्रेजेंट को यूज़ करते हैं, अभी हम लोग उसको देखेंगे. द ट्रेन लीव्स एट 4:30 PM. His flight departs at 7 PM. The Prime Minister arrives at New Delhi. The match starts in the evening. ये सारे वर्ड्स फ्यूचर में होने वाले हैं, लेकिन हम इसे प्रेजेंट टेंस में देख रहे हैं. सो वी शुड अंडरलाइन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. The first sentence, leaves. The train leaves at 4:30 PM means train 4:30 में जाएगी. His flight departs at 7 PM. Departs. The Prime Minister arrives at New Delhi. Arrives means Prime Minister New Delhi आएंगे. The match starts in the evening. मैच अभी शुरू हुआ नहीं है, होगा. So leaves, departs, arrives, starts show future actions, but we can write it in present tense.